Welcome back to another edition of Vegan Food Porn Stars. Chef PBJ here. Thanks for checking me out. Love going to the movies. We've been looking forward to Avengers Endgame since last year. We're huge Marvel fans. Watching more, but there's a lot of shows to catch up on. So, you know, here we are at the show. Like, there's not a lot of vegan food here. Mostly just junk. The outtakes. You get some fries. You know, some tasty taters. Doubtful on the churro. There's not a lot going on there for us, so we always sneak in our own snacks, which is kind of nice. But we did get a big bucket of popcorn. Yummy popcorn. Pretty unimpressed. Oh, why not a veggie dog? What's the big deal? Or a veggie burger? Got all these awesome toppings. Outtakes. Shame. Super not cool, dudes. We're gonna go rock out Avengers Endgame. It's time to head home, fire up the barbecue, and broil me up some beautiful veggie dogs. I have some Beyond Meat Italian sausage thingamabobbers. I'm gonna make a dog from the dog, Madz, myself. I like them crispy. You can see my new patio. See my little sweet little puppy. Man, I'm like ravenously hungry. I'm thinking about my own dog here. I've also got a little soup on the go. Won't have it ready for the show tonight, but definitely I'll show you a little bubble in action. I like my soups to cook for a whole day. Lamborghini! I'm gonna whip up some veggie dogs here. Chef PBJ style. That's some real yummy vegan food porn right there. Now that is some hot doggity dog action, you know what I'm saying? Been another fabulous Vancouver evening in my backyard. Here's a garter snake just laying around looking at me. Hi buddy, so nice to see you today. You are so cute. That's right, you are so cute. Okay, I'll leave you alone. You have a good rest, okay? Is that your favorite food, buddy? You love being a vegan dog, man? It's fresh grass. Just get you going for the day. Here we have the basics of any good soup. We have carrot, celery, onions, red cabbage, peppers, garlic, ginger, cilantro, spinach, canned diced tomatoes, beans, and lentils. Check out our killer patio view. Soak it all up.
Why do you think I wear sunglasses?
I wear my sunglasses at sunset cause I don't wanna leave them somewhere I'll forget them. Do you guys just sit on your patio and just do crazy stuff? That's what we do. Oh, Mr.'s in the chips! Mister, man, you're in the chips. These are really good chips, guys. Costco. Bean crisps. On our deck here, I whipped up some pico and some guac, and I have a beautiful temptress here. The pico, the guacamole, pico. Got a little lake of juice in there. I like to drink that. It's my nasty little fetish. Tell me all about your experience with Endgame.
It was really sad, but I loved it.
I think it was a well-written show. Like, did you feel satisfied?
Totally satisfied. I think it was like too satisfied. Too satisfied.
Mister's giving him 2 paws up, right, man?
Yeah, 2 paws up.
Mister really likes... Mister's favorite's Black Panther. Right, man?
I can see myself in the reflection of your sunglasses.
Cool.
I love it. And I can't stop staring at it.
Yummy patio salad. We have a tahini. What did I put in that stuff again?
Sweet onion?
Sweet onion. Man, you love salad. Oh man, you took my carrot. Little bugger. Turn on the gas. Got our Control-Z bowlsies here. Lift the lid. Holy shit.
Whoa.
I didn't think it was... Whoa! Was that big, mister? Whoa. Anyways, we got a kick-ass barbecue going here. Ooh, it's nice and warm.
Babe, I think we're getting gnats.
Uh-oh, we don't want gnats.
But they're coming for our food.
Burning some Beyond sausage yumminess. I like mine with the barbecue sauce. Babe, not so much. Our veggie dogs are slowly charring on the grill to perfection. We reflect on the special moments in life and also ketchup or mustard. Beyond sausage hot dog right off the barbecue. Use some barbecue sauce, mustard, ketchup, pickles, onions, and a gluten-free bun as well. So what did you think of those Beyond Veggie Dogs, mister?
You were amazing. Oh my god, I can't believe it.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too, right, man? How many did you eat? 2?
11.
6 dogs? It's not your friends, mister. It was a plant.
Plant.
Yeah, man, don't worry.
Not that plant.
Yeah.
They were so good. Yeah. Thank you for making them extra super special, Chef PBJ.
Thank you very much for being here to eat them. And Barrington Francis the First. Sun setting. For those of you whom are vampires. Wow, what a night. Avengers, veggie dogs, and another beautiful Vancouver sunset. This is literally the best.
Look at the sunset in the background of
Isn't that? We have such a blessed life. Chilling on our patio, grilling dogs, making vlogs, watching crazy good action shows, and spending time with you guys. Okay, well, I'm so stuffed. I got pickle breath. She's completely not wanting to give me a kiss. She's not a pickle fan at all. And extra onions too. If you could like, subscribe and share. Much love to you all.
Bye.